Hello friends, I am Trilochan. Welcome back. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed variables in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss data types in Python. So what is data types in Python? Every value in the Python has a data type. Since everything is an object in Python, data types are actually classes and variables are instance or object of these classes. There are various data types in Python, but we will discuss some of the important types are here. Let's start with Python numbers. Integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. These three are under Python numbers category. They are defined as int, float and complex classes in Python. We can use type function to know which class a variable or a value belongs to. So let me show you here this example. First one is x equals to 20 and this is integer. Here we can print x and type of x. So let's run this. Yes, the first one is the value 20 and the class integer, the type of that value. Okay, so let me give you an other example in float. Here it is float number. Okay, 20.5. So here it is, if you run this one and 20.5 class is float. Okay, then third number is complex. Here it is. So 22 plus 1j, this is the complex number. Okay, so let me run this again. Here it is, the class is complex. So here interesting thing is in Python 3 integers can be of any length. It is only limited by our system, memory available in our system, and a floating point number is accurate up to 15 decimal places. Integer and floating points are separated by the decimal points. Okay, like this here 20.5 is floating point number. And if we talk about complex number, and complex number are written in the form of, like, first part is here 2 is real part and the plus the second one is imaginary part. Okay, so this is how you can define one complex number. So here let me show you how much the integer is can have. Here is suppose here this is too long. Okay, but if you talk about 2.7 or 2.x version of Python, it will long, not integer. So let me print again. Yes, here it is. So this is long, too long, but the integer type. Okay, so here it is. If we discuss about float, so I have told you this is a 15, it's accurate 15 numbers decimal places. Okay, so if I place an more than 50, it will only show you only the 15th float decimal places. Let me here it is. Yes, so let me run this. Yes, here it is only 15 decimal places. Let's discuss the most used data type in Python. So list. List is an order sequence of item. Here you can see x is 10 and 20.3 and trillion. Here all are the strings, but we can have the different data type or different data type in the same list. Okay, so this is very straightforward. We can items are separated by commas or enclosed brackets. So this is the list. I will show you how to the type of this list and print the value. Okay, before that let me tell you, we can use the slicing operator to extract an item or a range of items from a list. The index starts from 0 in Python. Okay, so here it is. So these are the string because I have put put it in all the double quote. If I remove this one like here, and we can remove this one, so now the list have the different data types, like first one is integer, then second one is float, and third one is string. So let me print it the similar way. So this is the value of list, and the type of list, the type of these values are list. Okay, so let me show you some examples how to extract the data from the list. Suppose here we can print x of 1. So let me run. Here it is. The first one is 20.3. That means the printed this value. Okay, suppose here we can print a range of value. Okay, so here it is start with 0, end with 1. So save. Here it is only 10. So if I put it in 2, then it will give you the another results 10 and 20.3. So if you want to start with 1 and end with 2, it will print only 20.3. so let me give it value in 3. So it will 20.3 and trilogen. Here it is 20.3 and trilogen is printed. Okay, so this is how you can extract the value from a list. So next we will discuss the tuple. Tuple is an ordered sequence of items same as a list. The only difference is that tuples are immutable, but lists are mutables. We can alter the data in list, but the tuples once created cannot be modified. Tuples are used to protect data and are usually faster than list as they cannot change dynamically. It is defined within the parenthesis, like all are same. In list it is bracket, but in tuple it is in parenthesis. Okay, so we can we can print the data or retrieve the data using the same slicing method, slicing operator. Okay, so let me print this one. So for this I have to run python 3 hello this. So this is the value and type is tuple. So we can paste the data in the same way with slicing operator. Slicing operator means, like here I can give you example, print x is 1. So here it is, yes, 20.3. this is the same. Next we will discuss string in Python. String is sequence of Unicode characters, and we can use single quotes or double quotes to represent the strings. So if we want to, like as we discussed in before tutorial, we can also use triple quotes to, like, multi-line strings. We can print the multi-line screens, and within the string we can print double quote and single quote, so that we can use triple quote for here. So here it is, let me give you example. Here it is, yes, so these are the value and the type is string. Okay, just like a tuple or list, we can use like slicing operator here also, and because this is this string is also immutable. Okay, so we cannot change the value of a string. So let's discuss next is set. Okay, so this one is a set. So it looks like list, but in set there is it is actually unordered collection of unique items. Set is defined by values separated by comma inside the braces. Okay, but in list that was the square bracket. In set this is in simple curly braces. Okay, items in a set are not in order. Like suppose if you put here 1 2 3 4 and 5 3 2 1, it will be a set. Okay, let me print here. These are the values and the type is set, because we have given here curly braces here. Okay, so one more thing is like set operations like union and interaction on two sets, and sets have unique values, they eliminates duplicate. Suppose I will have another cherry here. Let me, here, if I print this one here, cherry, banana, apple. Okay, but it eliminates the duplicate one. Okay, since set are unordered collection, indexing has no meaning here. Okay, so hence the slicing operator will not work, because there is a no point to use slicing operator, because there is no ordered value in set. Next is dictionary in Python. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. It is generally used when we have a huge amount of data, and dictionaries are optimized for retrieving the data. We must know the key to retrieve the value. In Python, dictionaries are defined within the braces, with each item being a pair in the form of key value. And key and value can be of any type, like here name is string, age is string, but value is integer. Okay, we use key to retrieve the respective value, but not the other way around. Okay, so this is simple dictionary. So let me run this file. Yes, so these are the values of dictionary, and the type of this value is dictionary. So I am showing you the short description here, because we will discuss these all data type in a detailed view and the later tutorials. And this tutorial purpose is only show you the data types in Python. So I am giving you the short description with short example. Okay, in last is here, this is boolean type. This is not last, but this is important data types. So this is true and it can be a false. Okay, let me run this. Here it is, value is true and class is bool. So these are the data types we have discussed, and other data types are there, like frozen set and bytes, byte arrays, memory views, and range. So these are the data type in Pythons. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, please comment below. Thank you so much.